How much cardio do you actually need to keep your heart healthy? More isn't always better, and less than you think can still be effective. Aerobic exercise, also known as cardio, is one of the most important habits for heart health. It helps strengthen your heart muscle, improve circulation, and support healthy blood pressure. For most adults, the ideal amount of aerobic exercise is about 30 minutes per session. This can include walking, cycling, swimming, jogging, or dancing. Anything that raises your heart rate and keeps you moving continuously. If you're short on time, even 10-15-minute sessions still count and can be very beneficial when done consistently. For heart health, experts generally recommend at least 150 minutes per week of moderate intensity cardio. That's about 5 days a week, 30 minutes per day. If you prefer more intense exercise, 75 minutes per week of vigorous cardio can also support cardiovascular health. The key is consistency, not exhaustion. You should be able to talk but not sing during moderate cardio. If you feel dizzy, overly fatigued, or short of breath, it's time to slow down. Remember, cardio doesn't have to mean the gym. Daily walks, taking the stairs, cycling outdoors, or active hobbies all contribute to a healthier heart. A healthy heart is built with regular movement, realistic goals, and balance. Find an activity you enjoy, stay consistent, and your heart will thank you over time.